Take me where the sun is shining. Watch the mist roll down the mountain of leaves.
Si Mami talaga yung #1 supporter namin sa kung ano man yung ginagawa namin. And lagi lang niya kaming ginaguide pag may gusto kaming gawin, tapos may gusto kaming pursue. #1, cheer. Tiga-cheer sa amin. Tapos talagang hinahayaan lang niya kami. And yun, full support lang talaga palagi. Saka, lagi kaming ina-encourage na pag may gagawin kami, gawin namin lagi yung best namin. Yan, ni Arjun.
Happy birthday sa nag-iisa kong nanay, Madam, supporter at partner in crime. Maraming salamat for always being there. From the very first moments of my life, ikaw na yung nandyan na naging rock and support sa buhay ko. I cannot thank you enough dun sa mga panahon na nag-aaral pa lang ako, tapos ikaw yung unang namurot sa akin kapag hindi ko nakukuha yung mga lessons na yon. But thankful ako dun sa mga bagay na yon at lessons na yon kasi it has shaped me as a person ngayon. I cannot thank you enough for all the love and support na binigay mo sa aming magkapatid, for all the sacrifices. May mga araw na nagkakatampuhan man tayo, but we're always there.
Si Mommy Nancy po, she's very supportive of us. Very welcoming and loving to the people around. We wish you a long, happy, and very blessed life.
Together, you and me.
Sa aking darling, binabati kita ng isang maligayang karawan. Dinadalangin ko sa Diyos Ama na mabigyan ka ng mabuting kalusugan habang ikay nabubuhay at maging mahaba pa at maraming pagdiriwang ng iyong karawan, ng iyong maranasan. Naway mapuspos pa rin tayo ng masaganang biyaya at sa ating pagsasama. Patuloy na mula ngayon, ikaw na ang boss ko, ikaw na ang masusunod sa lahat. Muli, happy birthday, mahal kong darling.
I'm feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down.
And most of all, sana God protects you from illness and sickness. So long life is still sweet, is still beautiful, and I love you.
I just wanna celebrate.
Happy birthday po, Tita Nancy. Ang wish ko lang po sana sa inyo, sana gumanda ka pa po. Para pagdating na maraming taon, young at young pa din. Ayun. Happy birthday po ulit!
Birthday, Nancy!
There's magic coursing throughout my veins.
Ang wish ko sa'yo ay good health, more blessings and prosperity, and of course, long life. Stay happy and joyful, and stay also generous to us.
Celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night.
Thank you po, Lola, for all the love and your support po. All of this meant so much for me, and I feel so lucky to have you in my life. I hope this year brings you a lot of blessings and joy po, as how mo po siya binigay sa amin. Enjoy your day po and stay being gorgeous po. I love you, Lola.
Wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate. 'Cause it's a good day.
Nag-uumapaw yung saya ko bagamat simple lang din yung celebration ng birthday ko. Nandiyan pa rin kayo, nag-stay kayo. At maraming salamat sa mga gifts, sa mga wishes nyo. Maraming salamat.
I just wanna celebrate all night.